My name is David. I am 45 years old. In part 1, I told you everything. I told you how Emily saved my life. I told you how I married her because of gratitude, not love. And I told you how I finally ended the marriage because I could not lie anymore. After the divorce, my heart felt empty. Emily loved me with all her heart, but I could not love her back. I tried. I really tried. But love cannot be forced. 3 months after the divorce, Emily came to see me again. She was nervous. Her hands were shaking. She said, "David, I want one thing. I want a baby. I want to be a mother." Her eyes were full of pain. She knew time was running out for her. I felt sorry for her. I felt guilty, too. So I agreed. For 3 weeks, we were close again. After that, Emily became pregnant. But she did not ask me to come back. She said she would raise the baby alone. She said, "You don't love me. I don't want to trap you." I respected her. I wished her happiness. But inside, I felt old. I was 45, and I still did not know what real love felt like. So I made a big decision. I traveled to Thailand for 6 months. I wanted a new place, a new start, a new life. I stayed in a small hotel near the sea. The air was warm. The nights were quiet. For the first time in years, I felt free. One day, I saw a young woman cleaning the hallway. She had warm brown skin, strong arms, and a bright smile. Her name was Nira. Every morning I said, "Hello." Every day she smiled and said, "Good morning, sir." Her smile felt like sunlight. Soon we talked more. She told me about her life. Her parents had a big debt. She worked every day to help them. She never complained. She just smiled and tried her best. I admired her. She was simple, kind, and honest. After some weeks, something changed. I wanted to help her, so I paid her family's debt in secret. When they learned the truth, her parents cried and thanked me again and again. Nira also cried. She held my hand and said, "You saved my family." Slowly, she fell in love with me, and slowly, my heart opened. For the first time in my life, I felt something real. I felt love. I brought her to America. We got married. I loved her with all my heart. I gave her everything she wanted. I thought, finally, this is the woman my heart chooses. At almost 50 years old, I wanted one more thing in life. I wanted a child, a real family, a child with the woman I loved. But when I told Nira, she looked away. Her voice was cold. She said, "No, I don't want that." After that day, she changed. She was distant. She did not touch me. She did not smile at me. I felt the cold wall between us. Then the truth came. One afternoon, I came home early. I heard voices upstairs. Young voices. A man's voice. My heart broke before I even opened the door. Nira was with another young man. A man her age. A man she truly wanted. I felt fire in my chest. I shouted at them. I told the truth to everyone. I ended the marriage. She cried. She begged. But I was done. I could not live another lie. When I signed the divorce papers, I felt the same cold pain as before, and I said the same words I once told myself many years ago. I don't love her. Again. It was almost funny. In part 1, I left a woman who loved me too much. And now, in part 2, I left a woman who never loved me at all. Life is strange. Life is cruel. Life is also a little ironic. I looked at myself in the mirror that night. There were more lines on my face, more white hair, more stories in my eyes. I asked myself, "David, what are you doing with your life? Why do you always love the wrong woman? Why do you always give your heart to the wrong hands?" I did not know the answer. Maybe love was not made for me. Maybe my heart was too tired. Maybe my soul was too old. Maybe God wanted to teach me something. Again and again, until I finally understood. But one thing was clear. My story was not finished. My life was not over. My heart was hurt, but it was still alive. So I took a deep breath. I closed my eyes, and I told myself, David, stand up, start again, even if it hurts, even if you are tired, start over, one more time, and maybe, just maybe, the next page of my life will be different. If this story touched your heart, please subscribe, not just for more stories, but for more moments that make you feel something again.